What's going on, guys? Your boy D-Dog here. And tonight's video, or today's video, we're going to talk about a new pickup that I have. I'm sure you already noticed it in the comments. Not comments. I'm pretty sure you saw it in the title of my video. And we're going to talk about the pickup. It's the KD12 Aunt Pearl. What the shoe. Let's get into it. This shoe, I actually walked into the store today, and normally I always, on my breaks, I always just walk into the store, shoe stores, and I see shoes just sitting. I see what the new shoes is available at the stores that I go to. Right, I literally just happened to look up, and I actually saw the KD12 Aunt Pearls just sitting there. Now these shoes have came out in December. I forgot the release date, but when they came out, they sold out quick. Mostly every KD Aunt Pearl shoe sells out quickly. Now, if you don't know, the first Aunt Pearl shoe was on the KD4. Ever since then, they've been continuing that tradition, and it's for the Cancer Fund. It's for the K-Yao Cancer Fund. After doing my research, I found out that was the foundation that he does for this shoe in the remembrance of his aunt. I've been actually wanting this shoe because I have some aunties that currently has breast cancer, and I always wanted a pair. So when October or November come around, I can rock those shoes because I really feel for people who have breast cancer. I know people who are survivors of breast cancer, so I feel like any shoe with pink in it, I always want it. But I'm happy that I got these. I ended up paying retail for these. I didn't pay retail for these. I was happy to get them. They size 11. We'll go into it. No sky view today. I'm getting back into the swing of things. I'm just trying something new. As you can see, it comes in this box. I'm gonna get some more views. You're probably not gonna see it's like this, but it comes in like a normal brown Nike box. Looks like the Yeezy box, but very brown. And the color code, the style number is CT2740. Color code is 900, and it is a multicolor. On the box it says Nike Zoom KD12 XMAS. So it also has a signature on the right of the tag. So when you open up the box, you don't get anything special in the box but the shoes, right? So once you open it up, it does have a combination of, once you look at it, if you are a very good expert of KDs, you will know that this shoe, you can recognize a lot of KDs, the other KD models in this shoe. From what I can see, you probably see the KD4s, KD5s, KD6s, KD7s, KD9s, KD10s, and the KD11s are all in this shoe. As you can see, they brought the wingtip back. I think I don't remember the one KD shoe that I really wanted. I think it was like the Solar Red Low that had the straps on it. I really wanted that shoe but could never get it. It does says Aunt Pearl on the name, on the tongue. It has like this velour, like it has like velour in the sock line, like inside. It is like some so fresh and so clean type ish in here. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's very luxurious, you know what I'm saying? And even has it on the swoosh as well. Got like different colors of pink. You got like this hot pink, you got like a lighter pink, and you got like a gray, you got like a white, you got like a, I just like how they did this shoe. I was really happy that I walked in and saw this shoe. Inside the wing, it says inside the wing, it says Kevin Durant and the K-Yao Cancer Fund in memory of Aunt Pearl, who inspired us all to continue to fight for a cure. On the inside of the tongue, it has like a whole bunch of writing. I think it says like in memory of Aunt Pearl, who inspired us to keep, same thing that it says on the tongue, on the wing, and then on inside, actually like on the inside of the shoe as well, on the strap, it says like Wanda, Barbara, and Wayne, and it says Tony. If you really look on there, we're gonna look on the other side, and we don't have anything on the other side. Like I said, I think they did a pretty good job with this shoe in a way. I really feel like I tried it on. It does fit true to size. So I recommend, if you're going to buy them to keep, buy your true to size. The true to size, this is my first pair of KDs. I'm happy that I was able to obtain a pair. Only thing that I will say is that these shoes are very bulky. When I tried them on in the store, they just felt bulky. You can tell they still use the Flynet technology in this shoe as well. And on here it says quad axle flyware, multi-directional. So they show you that they still use the flyware, but you can see all of the different KDs. I'm gonna try to figure them out when I get to whenever I get a chance. So let me know what you think of this shoe. You know what I'm saying? Did you guys were able to cop this shoe when it came out? I was surprised that the store that I went to was actually had these still sitting. Like, they said they got their shipment in late, and I literally thought about it. I was on lunch and I'm like, man, should I get these shoes? I don't even know, dog. I don't even know. And I literally was just like, the mall, like within 15 minutes, the mall was about to close, and I literally just ran and went and bought them. I was like, go ahead and give them to me. Like, the dude before me was about to cop them, but he was about to swipe, but his swiping illegal credit card wasn't working. So I was like, thank you. I ended up getting mine. So yeah, man. So this is KD12, man. I like it. It got his number on it, 3512 on there, and like I said, I like this shoe. Do I think this will be a good hoop shoe? Not this colorway. Probably PJ Tucker will probably hoop in these because he loves KDs. But I wouldn't hoop in this colorway. This is a colorway that I would wear, like breast cancer awareness. Like, I will wear this. So this is for my aunties, what I'm saying, who are survivors of breast cancer. I will wear these, when it's time. So yeah, man. So other than that, this has been a KD12 Pearl review. Let me know in the comments what you think about this shoe, and I'll see you guys on the next pickup or the next release. Make sure you hit that like button, smash it please, and also make sure you subscribe to the channel too for more pickup videos. I know I'll be late with mine, but hey, better than late than never, you know what I'm saying? So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.